We've been talking about audit. Today, let's talk about importance of HubSpot workflow audit. HubSpot workflows might be hurting more than helping. The workflows are a backbone of automation in HubSpot. They help you streamline processes, improve efficiencies across processes, and they also ensure there's a smooth handoff between teams from sales to marketing, marketing to success, customer success team. The problem is most of the companies set them up, but they forget about them after some point of time and they are not being reviewed regularly. So, as a result of that, things start to fall apart. Lead scoring workflows overriding each other, automation conflicts causing duplicate outreach, lifecycle stages shifting unpredictably, old workflows running in the background, they are unchecked. What's the result of this? The result is leads get lost, report don't add up, deals move backward in the pipeline. What's the fix? The fix is a regular workflow audit. Here's how to get your HubSpot workflow in check. Document all the active or the turn on workflows in one place. Then try to review each one's actual impact. What is it doing? Why it was created for? Map dependencies to identify if there's a conflict, if there's any redundancies between these workflows. Then try to clean up the outdated conflicting automations. Now think of it like a spring cleanup for your CRM. Your data and your sales team will definitely thank you. When was the last time you audited your HubSpot workflows? Thank you.